So how can you set the Apple Maps account on the iPhone? Let me explain how it works. So let's get started. If it's your first time on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the Apple Maps, unlike the Google Maps, for example, because inside the Google, you can tap on your account and switch in between different accounts. But inside of the Apple account, it works a little bit different because it is tied to your Apple ID, right? So your Apple account, the one you can find when you go to the settings and at the top, this is tied to all of your Apple applications, which includes the maps as well. So within the maps, you can obviously click on your profile as well and see some things attached to your profile, like different places or I don't know, reports, preferences, offline maps, or whatever. But it's not like simple to switch to a different account, and you don't really have to set anything as it's already using your Apple one. But if you would want it to switch, then you would have to switch the entire Apple ID, and this comes with a huge number of complications, I would say, or changes. So it's not something you just do randomly, right? So that's how it works on the iPhone. Obviously, if you don't like the Apple Maps, you can switch to the Google Maps, as I mentioned, or other map services as well. But let me know what you think. Let me know what exactly you're looking to get from this like map setup. Share your thoughts below. Subscribe for more videos and similar tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.